left, right, tail, brake, fog. Fog. No, fog. Got reverse. Yeah, reverse. No fogs. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on our 2004 T5 Combi. Now, I wouldn't normally do a video on a little changing a tail light bulb unless it was difficult. But this might help you as well. But we have got an issue with these. Now, as you saw on the intro, our fogs aren't working, but all the brake lights and other stuff is. I mean, actually there is one number plate light out as well, but that doesn't matter. I took it apart and I'll show you what I found in a minute, but they don't use normal tail and brake light bulbs on this model. They use tail and fog light bulbs, which have a different pin setup and are 21 watt fog and 4 watt tail, as normally you have a 21.5. Again, I haven't got a spare one to show you. I'll have to take one out of there to compare it to these, but these are the bulbs that you will need. So there it says the 21.4. There are some different codes on the back there. I hope you can read that. Might help you get them. These are, I have put these on my Amazon store if you're not sure. You can have a look on there, and if you can find them somewhere else, that's fine. If you do buy them from me, I get a small commission. I think it's 3% commission, so if you do, thank you. Right, I'll show you what I found, set you up on the tripod, and then I'll show you the difference, okay? So just need a Phillips screwdriver, undo these 2 screws, and then a little magnet to get them out, because otherwise when you pull it off you will yeet them and never find them again. So you pull this out slightly and then pull it to the side. That's it, come off. And then you can normally just take this off and have a fiddle and change it, but I'm going to take this, put it on the bench. So do that, push that in slightly, pull on that lug, and it should come off. There we go. So we'll go to the bench now and I'll show you what I mean. Here we are at the bench. So to get this bit from the light, I've got to sort of pop these things. They feel like they're going to break, but they do go. And there we have our bulbs. So we can put that to one side. Now, which is the one I need? It's this bottom one. So can you see there's 2 filaments in there? Now normally that would be a brake and tail, and there's no twin filaments anywhere else. Twin filaments, but this one you can, I don't know, you can't see it, I'll have to get it out, but someone just rammed it in there. Now you can see, actually see what they've done to get it in. See that little lug there? It should be the same, or little tab, same height as that. So to get it in there, they filed that off to get in. Isn't that bad? And you can see that they are opposite each other. Oh, it's actually cracked as well, but that's neither here nor there. I'll show you. I'll take one of these out and show you the difference. So the original one fitted, you can see they're opposite, and on this one, that one's in the middle and that one's offset. So that should, in theory, go in there nice and easy, if I can find out that way. That's it. Now I'm going to give this a clean off, because if you leave your greasy mitts over it, it could pop the bulb. But we'll go and try that and yeah, see if that's it. So here are the 2 bulbs next to each other, and you can clearly see that one's offset, that one's the same. Before we go back, just pop that back in there, make sure they all click. Ready. Alright, just got to plug that back in there. Like that. It did click. I went over the top of it. And then I'm not going to put the screws in yet. I'm just going to put this back together. Let's try it. Side. Fog. Brake. And then, right. That should all be working. Excellent. So the bulb's all working. This is a different issue, which I haven't got time to go through at the moment. Just doing the other side, and this one, it don't want to come out. They've jammed it in there. There it goes. See, yeah, they haven't filed that one down. That's what it's supposed to look like. Not filed down like that one. Right, that's it for today. Hopefully this will be a nice short one. Unfortunately, we can't cross off fog light from our large list because we haven't actually fixed them yet. We changed bulbs, got the right bulbs in. That's fine. And what have we learnt from this? Do not file off the little lugs from a normal brake and tail bulb to get them to fit. Get the right ones. Like I said, they're in my Amazon store if you're not sure. And I do get a little commission, 3 or 4% anyway. But yes, anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming on another journey. Even though we've not really arrived at the destination yet. Oh, look us up on Instagram, Larcs_workshop. And I hope to see you next time on another T5 thingy doofer. Cheers then. Screwdriver. 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 Got me magnet. Brake. Fog. Is that working? Hope so. Fog. Start that again. What a rubbish. Fog light, got it. Like I said a lot earlier, or was it earlier? Don't know. Like I said earlier. Oh, I on it. What did I say? Oh God, I can't get my words out today.